It's a good thing that I got my car temperature fixed because that's not lying. It is 99 degrees. So we toured 2 houses today and we put in an offer on one, so that's kind of exciting. It's literally 100 some degrees, 99, 100 degrees out here in Wisconsin, which pretty much never happens. And our apartment only has a window unit in the living room, and that just really doesn't do much. We're here at Hy-Vee checking out the food selection, but mostly just enjoying the AC. And pumpkin spice is supposed to come out tomorrow. Part of me was hoping maybe they'd have it early. These are really quite the bagels. So I went with the frozen and strawberry acai lemonade. I haven't tried that before. So this is very strange looking. It's next to the poppy, so I'm assuming it's some sort of like prebiotic, but I don't know what that is. But we're gonna try it. It's the orange flavor, obviously. I was intrigued by Rowdy Mermaid, but I don't necessarily like grape soda that much. And then also got a box of mac and cheese, blueberry bagels for myself. This is the chocolate chip that I like. I'm trying these 3. They're basically just a healthier chocolate bar, and then I love this popcorn. Hy-Vee has such a good selection of just like random healthy things that I always try something new when I'm here, even if I don't necessarily think I'll like it forever. It's just nice to try. And then there have been things that I really like that I found. I'm not a Squishmallow person, but if I was, that Pikachu would be coming home, or Gengar. I do like Gengar. These are new and I haven't seen anybody posting about them on Instagram. If the whole headband was like this glittery pencil or the glittery apple, I would get it. But since it's just the one side, I'm obviously just gonna get this one. Look how adorable those are. I'm not getting them, but they sure are cute. And now we are at Ross, looking for absolutely nothing, just hanging out in the AC. You guys, I was actually very disappointed when I was walking over here, and then I glanced down here and saw that they had, they're not the Uggs, they're the Bear Paw, but to me, same thing. And I found my size. What is this life? These were so trendy last year, and I'm assuming it'll be the same. Living in Wisconsin, I live in little boots like this, so I'm so excited that I found these. Hello friends, happy first day of PD. I'm excited to get to school. I've got my Barbella box here today with me, and I'm opening it because there's a pair of shorts in there that I wanted to wear today. Today I have attendant care training, and then I am meeting with the parochial schools to talk about the private school students that I caseload manage. And then after that, I have a nonviolent crisis intervention training. So all things that I can wear comfy clothes to. And then tomorrow I have full day ELA training for Wit and Wisdom, which isn't as fun as being around the rest of my special education friends, I guess you could say, because ELA training would be with like the entire elementary school staff. So today will be a little bit more in my realm. But let's open this up, get those shorts out. Oh, there's a lot of coupons and such in here. So there's a code for Spongella, which is basically a sponge that has the body lotion wash stuff already in it. Let me see if I can find that. Oh, interesting. Usually it's an actual sponge. It's a hand cream. I didn't even know they make hand creams. Huh. Good vibes, good life. Be the best version of you that you can be. I feel like I am the best version of me, but I'll read it and then I'll put it in one of those free book libraries that are around here. We've got a drip drop dehydration relief fast. Ooh, I'll probably bring this because I am planning to go to yoga tonight. I have a busy night. Walmart's still very desperate for people, so after my training I'm gonna come here, get ready for yoga, which is at 6:30, and then I'll be done with yoga about 7:30, and then I'll shower and go to Walmart for like 2 hours because, as I said, they're desperate. We've got a Lenny and Larry's The Complete Cookie Filled Bar, low protein snack. Bring that today. We'll try that out. We've got a beach towel, very floral. That's 2 days in a row that we've gotten a towel from a subscription box. What I like about this subscription box compared to the Harry Potter one that I canceled is this one I can skip the months and I kind of can see what's coming in the sneak peeks because I don't mind cheating and looking at that.
So here's the shorts, and that's what we actually wanted to wear today. And that's what made me decide to keep the box this month. It's the Barbells and Pizza brand. And so they just have some really cozy shorts with pockets, my kind of lounging attire. Last item, this is really cool. It's called a moonshine mason jar. And look at the little sleeve it comes with. If I would have opened this yesterday, I would have washed this and used it today, but. So you get your little mason jar that you can put your iced coffee in, but then you also have a little mug that you can put it in too to keep it cold, or put your hot coffee in here. That's cool. It's a good box this month. It is so foggy. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but yeah, it's really something. There's a motorcycle that was coming the opposite direction and I almost didn't even see them. I told myself this is the last time I'm getting caribou in the morning. I gotta wean myself off of this, but it's pumpkin day. I'm gonna get a large of the pumpkin white mocha cooler. Look how beautiful that pumpkin is. We're here and the AC is running. This is delicious. I love it. Does it beat the pumpkin cold brew? No, but very, very comparable. Oh, my hair is very humid. If we get the house that we put the offer in on, this isn't really on the way to Caribou as much as my apartment is, and that's probably for the best. Because I can make my own coffees. It'll save me a little time in the mornings and it'll just save me some money. Gotta buy that house, especially because we'd be getting the house before our lease in the apartment ends. Wisconsin has laws where the complex has to try their best to rent the apartment so that you don't have to pay the rest of the rent, which is nice, but we might end up paying some of the rent before someone else takes over our apartment. So we'll see. Got our trusty old cooler bag. Okay, so we brought pasta salad. Dan hates this because tuna and maracuyp together is like his enemy, but that's okay. It's not for him, it's for me. Chocolate hummus, whole container of strawberries, pizza goldfish, not going in there. I've got a coffee yogurt for when I'm starting to feel a little hungry. And then I also brought one of those chocolate bars that I got at Hy-Vee yesterday. That doesn't need to be refrigerated though. First thing I'm doing today before that training is I'm going to print off my Meet the Teacher letters. I don't wait to give it to when the kids come in. A lot of my kids I've had for so long that on Meet the Teacher day, they get so focused with their actual classroom teacher that they don't think to come see me because I'm just old news. I just send it through the mail, so then the kid gets mail, is reminded to come see me, and then the parent has my contact information there if they really want to reach out before school starts, and then my Amazon QR code is on there too. I'm going to print that off and give it to the secretary and she can mail them for me. Okay, so obviously I don't have a student named Barbie. I just put that in there. Meet your special education teacher. Maybe I can get a little closer. Yes, there we go. Took out that information. Took out my school name. There's my Amazon QR code, things I like. Took that out. Voila. Easy, beautiful, breezy. Cover girl. I love doing meetings on my smartboard. It's just so convenient. So Compass Care is what we use to bill for Medicaid, and basically the school just gets reimbursement for the time that we're spending with students, like in the bathroom or providing direct services that isn't instruction. So this is what I'm doing for a little welcome back gift. I'm just gonna make a little tag that says, thanks for flying in. Okay, super easy. If you're a teacher, you get Canva Pro for free. So this is just a gift tag that I made my own. Our school theme is adventure, so I have those planes, so it's perfect. Thanks for flying in. How perfect is that all three of those fit? I love when a plan works out. Just waiting on my cabinets, and then I feel like my room will be basically perfect. I'm drinking a wedding cake water today, so that's vanilla, almond, and coconut. And what I love about this cup is you can shake it, obviously, and then all the glitter and the rulers and the apples, they all move around. It's so cute. So now I'm gonna make my label for that drawer. Look how nice this wall is. I can't wait till we get these cabinets in. And I'll put my books back up here. For now, they're just sitting right there because I don't want wood shards in my Magic Treehouse books. And then right there needs a label too. This wall though is like almost perfect.
This wall is mostly perfect too. It's just got some random cluttery things. My Meet the Teacher stuff.
This is either gonna work or it's gonna be a giant mess. Oh, hey, will you vacuum the pool?
August 24th, getting myself a pumpkin cream cold brew, but then I will only come on Saturdays, guys. Self-control, restraint, saving money, all those things. A grande of the pumpkin cream cold brew, but can you put it in a venti so I can have the extra pumpkin cream? Okay, so I just finished yoga, and if you've watched to the end of this video, you're in for a surprise. We got the house that we wanted, and it originally was $350 and they were at $325 because it was their first decrease, and we offered $300,000 and they gave it to us. Yay! So finished yoga. They just started collaborating with a local like healthy food place. I like a nice parfait and I'm hungry. And they have raw juices. So this is the grapefruit, apple, lemon. I mean, I try to be supportive of a small business. Let's try this out. This is me saving money, obviously. Oh, come on. There we go. Ooh, that's sour. I think I'm gonna try the mint one next time. I definitely taste the apple, but the lemon and the grapefruit are like the overpowering, which obviously it's a citrus fruit. That's why people put sugar on their grapefruit. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is Friday tomorrow.